Morning, dear students. Welcome to sixth class, General Science. Now, today in this class, we discuss about crystallization. Okay, crystallization is a separation technique method. This method is applicable for the separation of dissolved substance from the solution. For example, we take salt solution. Salt solution is formed by when salt is added to the water and stir with glass rod and to form salt solution. Okay, the salt particles are uniformly distributed throughout the salt solution. That is, the salt is completely dissolved in water and to form salt solution. Now filter this salt solution. You use a filter paper. The salt particles they pass through the porous of filter paper. So it is not possible to separate out the salt particles from the salt solutions. So we can use that heating. So on heating the salt solution, we can separate out the dissolved substance salt from the salt solution. So in this method, first step, now we take the salt solution or salt water in the glass beaker. Okay, this glass beaker is put on the tripod stand and this beaker is on heat with the Bunsen burner. What happens on heating process? On heating this beaker contain salt water. On the process of heating the water, it get in evaporation. The total water getting the evaporation from the glass beaker and remaining of salt it can form as like of a crystals. So the salt crystals are formed at the bottom of the glass beaker. So that is the we separate out the salt particles from the salt solution. Okay, students. Now in this method, first one we take a glass beaker. Okay, this is the glass beaker. Now in this glass beaker, we take a salt solution. Okay, this is the salt solution or salt water. Okay, salt water. Now put a glass rod. Okay, this is the glass rod. Okay, this is the beaker. This beaker is put on the tripod stand. Tripod stand. This beaker is on heating with a Bunsen burner. This is the Bunsen burner. So we use the Bunsen burner on heat the salt water in the beaker. What happens from the salt water? The water get in evaporation. The total water get in the evaporation from the glass beaker, and remaining of the salt particles are they formed as the crystals at the bottom of a glass beaker. So that's why crystallization means to separate a soluble or dissolved substance from the water or from the liquid or from the solution is said to be the crystallization. Okay?